Arthur and the Whispering Woods. In a cozy cottage nestled in the rolling green hills of the English countryside lived a curious young boy named Arthur. He wasn't just any boy. Arthur had a secret. He could hear the whispers of the ancient trees and the songs of the babbling brooks. One sunny morning, a wise old oak tree in his garden whispered, "Arthur, a great adventure awaits you. Follow the path of the sun, and you will discover the heart of England." With a heart full of excitement, Arthur packed a small bag with a map, a compass, and a delicious apple pie his grandmother had baked. He waved goodbye to his cottage and set off on his journey. His first stop was the mysterious Stonehenge. As he touched the giant, weathered stones, he could feel the energy of the ancient people who had built this magnificent monument. The stones hummed with stories of forgotten kings and powerful wizards. Next, Arthur followed the River Thames to the bustling city of London. He marveled at the Tower of London, a grand castle that had stood for centuries, guarding the city's secrets. He imagined knights in shining armor and queens in beautiful gowns. In London, he met a friendly raven perched on a lamppost. "I am one of the guardians of the tower," the raven cawed. "I can show you a secret." The raven led him to a hidden garden within the tower's walls, a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Leaving the city behind, Arthur ventured into the magical Sherwood forest. He walked among the towering trees, their leaves rustling with tales of Robin Hood and his merry men. He could almost hear the sound of their laughter and the twang of their bows. As the sun began to set, Arthur reached the beautiful Lake District. The still, clear water of the lakes reflected the fiery colors of the sky. He sat by the shore, listening to the gentle lapping of the waves and the calls of the wild birds. That night, as he camped under the stars, Arthur dreamt of all the places he had seen. He realized that the heart of England was not just one place, but a tapestry of history, nature, and stories woven together. The next morning, Arthur returned home, his heart full of memories and his mind full of stories. He knew that he would never forget his adventure and the whispers of the ancient land of England.